How to mute push notifications on Instagram on PC. This tutorial shows you how to stop Instagram push notifications from showing up on your Windows 11 browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to Instagram.com and log into your account if you are not already signed in. At this point, click on the lock or info icon at the left side of the address bar. From there, click on Site Settings from the drop-down that appears. After that, scroll down to find the notifications permission for the website. In the next step, click on the drop-down next to Notifications and select Block to stop Instagram from sending push notifications through your browser. From there, go back to the Instagram tab and refresh the page to apply the change. Once done, if you want to manage this more broadly, click on the three dots at the top right of Chrome and click on Settings. Following this, click on Privacy and Security and then click on Site Settings. From here, scroll down and click on Notifications. At this stage, find Instagram.com listed under Allowed and click on the three dots next to it, then select Block or Remove. Keep in mind, blocking notifications through your browser only affects the Instagram website on that specific browser and device, so you will still receive notifications on your phone unless you adjust those separately. And that's it. If this guide helped you mute push notifications on Instagram on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.